but it carries a chill. Morning tide, morning tide, a secret the ocean tries to hide. Morning tide, morning tide, the world feels vast, yet so tight. The sand whispers tales, ancient and free. A gull cries out, its voice lost at sea. Your heart beats calm, but it aches to roam. Morning tide, morning tide, a song the horizon can confide. Morning tide, morning tide, every wave feels like home and goodbye. The foam curls like a painter's brush. The world is awake but still in hush. The ocean breeze, it pulls, it sighs. Morning tide, morning tide, a rhythm that's endless, never denied. Morning tide, morning tide, forever here. Yet it slips outside. Mm.